Guys, Ninjan, I hope you guys are okay. Angeke ngikhulume izinto eziningi because angifuni ukumhlambalaza ngendlela efune ngabe ngimhlambalaza ngayo. Kodwa into eyenzakalile ukuthi ngidayisa inwele mina Angel Circus. So ngithe ngingena kwi-account yami. Yabo lento yokuba careless around your friends like mhlambe sidakiwe sifuna ukuthenga ukudla and yabo mhlambe imali yakho ihlala kwama savings uyayikhuphula uyibeke phezulu and then babone ukuthi uyivula kanjani i-app yakho usiyandi bekwazi lokho. Mina ngithi ngiyangena kwi-business account yami khona minus of which ngeke mina ngithathe noma kuthiwa ngihlupheke kanjani angeke ngithathe imali kwi-account kwi-account ye-business yabo. I would never do that. I would never ever do that because a business ukuthi ngikhulisa ibhizinisi lami meyokuthi liyafuna nalo ukukhula. Hayi ngithi ngiyavuka entatha nje kube khona into ngingene kwi-app ngibheke ukuthi kwenzakalani ngithi nhla ayibo miners abangaka already sengiyazi ukuthi ubani because uyena umuntu osale nale phone yami le eyokwenza ama-payments like my emails my what this one. I had borrowed him my other phone, my 14 Pro Max. I borrowed him that phone. Mengimnikeza leyo phone usiyanda sharp ayisebenzise nale wayisebenzisa at some point and then kwenzeke ezinye ixaxa zezimali yabo manje nje sekwamapiece epuzzle sekumina ukuthi ngizohlanganisa kanjani. Okay kodwa sikho lapho fike usiyanda mfethu ngivuke ngiphenike entatha ukuthi angcono ngiyakwazi ukufaka ngizowaposta separately ama screenshots ayonke into. Ngifike ngiyibuza ukuthi because it's not me kade senda yonke le mali angeke mina ngithathe imali yami kwi-business account. I will never do that. I will never ever do that. Okay ngivele ke me being myself ngicasuke send ama message ngithi mfethu ngoba mfethu ungishontshela kanjani mfethu uhlala endlini yami nje mfethu ngikhokha irent ungishontshela kanjani cause not good angimbaleli mengithi uhlala endlini yami ungishontshela kanjani umngani wami ngikuthembile ungishontshela kanjani umngani wami ngikuthembile mfethu like ngikuthembile to a point where nginokuhamba ngikushiya endlini. Hayi nokuthi ngikushiye for isikhathi ngihambe ngiyoyihlalela hlamba ka boyfriend ngiyihlalele ngiyipholele enhloko ngikuthembe to that extent mfethu ngikunikeze yonke access yayonke into angikaze mina guys kuyo yonke into sekuyenzeka angikaze wangibona ngena online ngikhuluma ngabangani bami ngiba bad mouth. Namanje nje I could have been saying a whole lot of shit right now but ngithi othi ngikhulume ngalokho engikubhalile lapha lokho kunye sizobhekana nakho mina naye masibhekana nakho because egcine nosuku it won't change the fact that bengiwumngani wakhe and bengimthanda and angazi ukuthi manje ukuthi ngizodila kanjani nale pain engizwa because bengimthandile shame usiyanda like to the very core like bengimthandile mfethu ngimcabange even noma cause uLisa moved out so manje bese sihlaso bawuthi ngimcabanga ngithi ayibo kumuntu wami ayibo mfethu osingihlana usiyanda kancane kade ngihleli nawe la ngihambe ngiyohlala naye nani yabo. Okay sharp okay ngimtshela ukuthi ke ngicela ungibhakishele izinto zakho mfethu ungiphumele because ungitshotshela kanjani kuumngani wakho uyenza kanjani leyo nto leyo so ngicela ungiphumele endlini yami instead of him ukuthi angayenzisa umuntu oguilty athi no Chomi you can come or there's my bank statement there's nothing there I did not do anything or okay can you please come ke ukuthi instead ukuthi ngishiye okhiye bakho kephi ngisacela bandla ukuthi uze and khona sivalelisane kahle yabo noma kuthiwani cha wavele wathi okay Chomi methi okay Chomi ngithi okay sharp ke okay mina ngivuka late ke because bengistresswe yona le ndaba ngize mhlambe ngalala ngabo 8 o'clock ekseni ngavuka ngabo 2:30 mengivuka ngo 2:30 ngihambe ngiya kephi ngithi ngiyangena ku Find My ngithi hayibo ifone yami 14 Pro Max ayikho la ku Find My ngithi iphi ifone yami like where's my phone like uyikhiphile ku Find My like uyikhiphile completely how kanjani manje eyami telefoni because initially when I sent the text I was like please leave my key and my phone and ungiphumele endlini yami. That's all I said. Angizange ngikhulume ezinye izinto ngithi I was just disappointed and I was still processing it ngithi hayibo mfethu kanjani. Okay ngibuye sorry guys kungene ilokhu njani i-call Okay, Sharp, ngifike la endlini ngithi ngiyakhuphuka because ukhe wami bengushiye komunye umuntu, so bengithi ngiyakhuphuka ngithi ngiyafika phambi kwesikabha sami. Hayibo, isikabha sami sivuliwe. Ushiya kanjani ukhiye isikabha sivuliwe? Ngiya-understand ukuthi sihlala endaweni like enama-security nani, but uyenza kanjani into enjalo? Does it even make sense? Hayi, ngingene-ke hoping that ngizothola ifoni yami. Mengithi ngiyangena, ukhiye wami lo ne-remote awukho, first of all. And he's saying it's with me and it's not with me. If it's with me, then angazi, kodwa ngibhekile ey'khwameni zami. Kodwa ngisangabi ngoqalaza nasemotweni, angiqalazanga emotweni. Awukho ukhiye wami, ngiqalaza ifoni, ngipetulula umbhede, ngithi hlambe phela uyishuthe-ke phansi, ngiyibheke ifoni, dololo. Ayikho ifoni yami, ikhiphiwe kwi-Find My. Angazi ukuthi ngenze njani. Ngingene ku-WhatsApp, ngingene kwigama lakhe Royalty, ngitype uRoyalty, ngingene Royalty. Ifoni yami ngiyazama umfonela straight call, ngifonela i-SIM card yami because ifoni yami khona i-SIM card yami. Ngiyazama ifonela voicemail. Ku-WhatsApp ngithi dude, khamba u-double tick, ngithi ngiyafona. Excuse me, ilibele lithi ringing. Athe suke emva kalapho ngivele ngithi yazini ngoba uyangiziba ngiyomposta bengamelanga ngifike la empostweni. Kuyimanje ngaba ngimchazeli ngoba ngabe manje ngiyilungise nomngane wami or my former friend eceleni bengizobe ngiyilungise naye, but yena ngoba uyitshela ukuthi slick, then asihambe in that route. I'm like, okay, I mean, why not? Mina ngiyayithandela nokuyikhulumela, asihambeni-ke leyo ndlela. Hayi-ke ngifike ngilokhunje ngilibele ngizama ngivele ngimposte. Mase ngiposta-ke le post eniyibonile previously. How uSiyanda ngithi guys, ngithi how first ngimpost, mengiqeda ukumposta akuphelanga 20 minutes usezama ungifonela ngani ngifoni yami la ikhona. How Siyanda wangifonela ngefoni yami, wangangiphendula mengithi ngifuna ifoni yami. Zithini bra, like I want my phone. Athi okay, ngizothumela ifoni yakho ngise-Pretoria. Ngithi mina use-Pretoria because earlier ufonela u-Ayanda, watshela u-Ayanda ukuthi use-Pretoria. Okay, so mina ungitshela ukuthi use-Pretoria, uthi okay, are you at your place or are you at your man's place? Ngithi mina I'm at my place. Athi okay, I'm gonna Uber connect your phone right now. Ngithi mina okay, Sharp. Ngidiniwe, obvious I wasn't this calm, like I was bengila bekungiwe. Ngithi mina okay, Sharp, mfethu ucela Uber connect ifoni yami manje. Okay, ukuba umuntu mo share trip uyasho ukuthi okay usend parcel to who nani. Ngiyithole leyo message ukuthi isuka ePretoria eGautrain station in PTA. Athi kumina angayitshela ukuthi ngizongena kwi-link yabo ngikhulume ngibheke ukuthi uyacommunicate no driver. A text to driver, atshela udriver, angazi noma yena umtextile noma umtexte before what, noma umfonelile yini wathi cela mlinde egarage. Udriver shutha ame garage, ngithi okay ngingene mina, ngithi ku driver ngingene kwi-link because mina nami ngizokwazi ukukhuluma since iparcel eliza kumina. Ngithi ku driver mina, hey, how are you, uzodeliver iparcel lami right now, ususukile yini? Athi driver ngisePretoria mina, akekho umuntu ofikile la, and ngithi mina ngicela ngisendele inamba yakhe because manje siyathathela le yaku Uber. Angisendele udriver number, mengisendele udriver number ngimfonela athi udriver akekho umuntu ofikile la. Ngithi mina hayi okay driver. Ngithi okay kodwa mekuthi uyafika ungakwazi ukuthi ucancele leyo trip, and then never kalapho mase mina because manje angisathembi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Athi udriver ngeke ngikwazi ucancela because this trip is also on cash. Ngithi mina is on cash, ukhokhisa mina ukuthi alethe ifoni yami kumina. Iyenziwa yini leyo nto guys? Ay ngizalelwe inje endlini bafazi, ngizalelwe inje endlini. Othi ngishaya uphathi sosiphelile isikhathi. Okay ke azama ukuthi akhokhise mina ke leyo mali leyo, kodwa ke udriver asho ukuthi hayi mina ngiyakhansela manje ngoba khona amanye ama trip emele ngidile nawo. Ngithi mina ayi okay bhuti, kodwa bandla ungakwazi ukuthi ukuthi kanjani mhlawumbe uyagcina ngiphendula lo former friend wami, ungakwazi ukuthi mhlambe ukuthi ungithathele lo parcela and then mina ngizokuthipa like I'm gonna give you your money and then you come to Rivonia. Athi driver no mina anginankinga honestly and ungangiwhatsapp nokungiwhatsapp nani manje naye uyabuwa ke angimuzwa nokuthi uthini ngithi anguzwa mina manje and then emva kalapho ngiyashunqa ke manje ngoba besingephi egatini bengasafuna ukuthi izithi kep bese ngime egatini ngilinde egatini phone yami bengempile egatini and bezoyilinda noma isuka kephi eMamelodi le bengizoyilinda hayi ngithi udriver angitshele ukuthi uyakhansela hawu akhansela udriver ngimtext uSiyanda ngithi where's my phone wena where is my fucking phone akasatholakala ungisendele inamba yakhe ayingeni ifoni yami ayifoneleki kulo WhatsApp lo kade ngimWhatsApp kuwona kuyifoni yami lo kade ngiWhatsApp ngayo ekhuluma nami through my phone akasakhulumiseki ngikhuphuka nje ngiyashunqa khona abanye obhuda ngazade benzane le15 nabo ngiyasho ukuthi kwasanina ngicela ningudlukele bandla ngikhuphuke ngifika endlini mengifika ifinsta yakhe unefinsta ufike wangena uqale wangena ku TikTok cause my phone that phone le ayintshontshile i-theft leya phone ayintshontshile ufike uyangena ku TikTok yeso mengipost i-video isithombe njengoba kade ngikhuluma ngayo uyadelete okay sharp okay abuyise ke cause udeactivate kwazothi cleanile uhambile ku TikTok uhambile Instagram uhambile uhambe yonke indawo WhatsApp ususa ama profile picture everything wathi suka emva kalapho ke wayibuyisa ifinsta mezama ukufinsta uyangizama ungifonela kuifinsta nginawo ama screenshot futhi alawo ama chats ngizonipostela wafika wathi wazama ungifonela kushuthi yabo ngilibe ngithi hello sometimes ama calls ku Instagram kanjalo hello akezwakali okay aphinda phone futhi mefona futhi sengiyakhuluma ke mina ngithi first ngicela phone yami like ngicela phone yami nani ngingamuzwa singazwani athi sisuke emva kalapho ngisenda ama message after message mase vela athi ngiseThekwini. What happened from being in what happened besingekho ePretoria besingekho in ePretoria not so long ago. Sorry guys, akungena icall yo ama call and ama call ayamute ama video yazi. Okay, sharp. Ngimbuze mina ngicine kephi kwami? Oh, iphelele phi indaba yokuthi ube sePretoria? Useyesuku usethi no I'm in Durban. Ngithi mina uhamba kanjani nefoni yami? Ngicele kahle ngathi mawuhamba endlini yami, shiya ifoni yami, shiya ifoni yami. Ushiya ukhiye wami. Ngiyacela, ushiya izinto zami, ngiyacela. Uhambe emva kalapho ungaphindi ungicabange ngiright mfethu okwamanje ziningi izinto engibhekene nazo empilweni angifuni ukueda wena angifuni bengitshela ukuthi like I can literally like be your friend and now you can be my friend and sivikelane ukwazi ukungivikela nami mengibhekana nezingqinamba nawo nami ngikwazi ukukuvikela. Kodwa wena instead ukuthi ungivikele uyenzeni wena ungilimazile wangitshontshela imali wangenza lokho and shoot akaqali ungitshontshela imali hayi nokuthi shoot akaqali ungitshontshela imali. Okay but asikho lapho sharp uSiyanda afike athi he yena useThekwini uzongisendela angazi ukephi ubuyele kubo. So me being me ngitshela umngane wami noSipho my friend I'm like noSipho bro uhamba ungilandela ifoni yami mfethu uSiyanda uthi ifoni yami useThekwini it went from PTA to eThekwini so quick ngathi mina ngicela bandle ukuthi uyongilandela ifoni yami ngiyacela wathi umngane wami I say no more sis walayisha ubhuti bakhe emotweni kwahanjiwa kwayofuna ifoni yami kephi kuSiyanda. Sharp. Meanwhile, mina ngiyamtshela uSiyanda ngithi onginikeza inamba yomuntu ohleli naye lapho ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi njengoba ngikhuluma nawe nibhizi, njengoba ngithetha mina ngi-frustrated ngingekho right, niyahleka nina. Uyahleka lo muntu ohleli naye lapho, ulibele ubhizi uyagigitheka. Njengoba kuhlekwa mina ngoba ngiyislima mina, akuqhubekani guys nihleke mina nginankinga. Kodwa ekugcineni usuku Siyanda, angikwenzanga lutho mina. Angikaze ngakulimaza, angikaze ngayenza into etheni or in. Lento ngenza yona manje ibhlungu, lento ngenza yona mfethu. Like ibhlungu ngempela. Futhi nalapho angifuni imali yami, angiyifuni imali ye-business. It's fine. Like leyo mali ngamtshela naye ngathi leyo mali leyo ngisacela bandla ukuthi ikwakhele ikusasa lakho. Landa angiqalekisi. Kodwa ngiyasho ukuthi leyo mali nawe la uyithathe khona kwande la uyithathe khona kwande kuze kuphuphume kuchitheke. Okay, uSiyanda emva lapho like mengilibele ngikhuluma naye ngimconfronta ngithi Chomi, why would you do this to me? Uvela athi nje no, if uNosipho ungitshelile usendleleni uyangiziba ngathi khona into khona into engekho right ekhanda, or he's not processing it, or maybe he was always like that. I did not see it. I don't know. I really don't know. uSiyanda guys mina ngimthandile ngimthathe guys uSiyanda like ene depression enye ongayazi. Umngani wami ngamthanda bra, like ngathi hayibo ngeke phela. Ngizama ukukhuluma naye ngimcele ngithi Chomi ungayibambi izinto, don't hold things in because who knows what could happen. Ngiyacela ukuthi ukhulume mfethu nami meke ukuthi khona into oyizwayo because nami angisho ukuthi nami ngi-right mina impilo yami ihamba kahle, kodwa kuyasiza sometimes ukukhuluma nomuntu yabo. Ungalibeli ungiqambela amanga mina mfethu, ngumngani wakho and mina ngiyakutshela mfethu indaba zami mfethu, and uyazazi izinto zami. Even ngingazona indaba zami like izinto ezingidlayo phakathi mengivuke ngizizwe ngathi khona into engidlayo. Sometimes I remember this other time I had such a hectic month, angazi kwenzakalani, ngavele kwahlangana konke kuhlelwe kumnandi. I just broke down and I started crying for a good 2 hours. Bengizama ungithulisa nolisa ngikhala. Yabo lento leyo ulibela uyiziba into sengiyiphuzela utshwala ngiphume kule nto, sengiyiphuzela utshwala ngiphume kule nto, kuvele kube kuningi kugibelane kugcine sekushubile. Mina ngemdabukele bese yazi bese soyilungisa lento bese soba right bese ukhuleka like sizoba right bese mase yena uzoqeda uzongenza lento le uSiyanda ungiphoxile. Shame, like ungiphoxile. You people know, you guys, sorry ngiyaxolisa unibiza ngo you people, you guys know ukuthi mina noSiyanda we would go live, we would be laughing shama. Sorry guys, ngingena ikholi futhi. So for Usiyanda to carry on, for Usiyanda to do that to me, it actually breaks my heart. It breaks my heart that he's doing that. And right now, Usiyanda is not such a bad person. Angazi ukuthi ungenelwe yini, but whatever lemngenelile, I hope he heals. But mina angisamdinga eduze kwami. It got to a point where I called his mom, ngamtshela uma wakhe ngathi ma ngoba uSiyanda ubehlala nami la, ngisacela bandla ukutshela yonke into eyenzakalayo. Angifuni ukuthi manje kwenzakalani nani kuthiwe mina. Ngamtshela uma wakhe everything. Guys, angazi, I don't know, he's not okay mentally lo muntu at this point. Ngizamile nami ukumkhipha kulezo inkinga lezi abhekana nazo, o ngizamile noma wakhe uzamile umndeni. Into ayenzayo uma wakhe mezama ukukhuluma nami ube block uma wakhe on my socials, I'm block. Namanje ngizama uku-DM usisi wakhe, ufike wenzani, wafike wa block usisi wakhe on my TikTok. Angazi guys, angazi, I really don't know. Guys, I got my phone it's not with me since mina ngiseGoli, yona iseThekwini. Ithathwe uLokhunjana uNosipho, my friend uNosipho. Uhambile wangena emotweni nobhuti bakhe, wahamba uyilanda ifoni. So ifoni isingakumina, esikuNosipho though, because but uNosipho unomcimbi omncane this month, so ngizoyithatha mase ngiya khona vele because bengivele ngumuntu oyakhona. But ke ngiyabonga ukungilalela guys, nokungizwa. Niyazi ukuthi angikaze ngangena online ngabadmouth abantu, even nabantu engasabakhulumisi mina ngingena online ngizokhuluma abantu kambi. angiyenzi nje leyo nto noma ngathiwa ubungane bethu kuphele kanjani. If yena belandela ama-instructions ami ukuthi ashiye izinto zami endlini yami, ngaba sifika ngala, ngaba nazi, ngaba akekho waziyo, mhlambe ngabe ukuthi niyangibuza mase nje ngiyi-brush off nje, yabo, bengeke sifike la. If yena wenze ngendlela ebengithe shiya ukhiye wami, ushiye ifoni yami, ngabe si-right manje. Or kuba ucommunicate wathi ngicela at least can I please get home, and then emva kalapho mase ngifikile ekhaya, I promise I'll get your phone to you on time, or whatever the case may be. As much as silwa, I wasn't going to be usatani towards him, like I wasn't going to do that. Angibadla abantu mina. Worst of all nje, ngumuntu nje mfethu onozwelo mina, noma ngingadinwa kanjani. Ukudinwa ngiyadinwa, but uzwelo nginalo. Ukuba ungichazelile wathi hayi mfethu cause uyasazi isimo sami sokuthi anginayo ifoni, angazi ukuthi ngizorequesta ngani mase ngifike eThekwini, ngisacela bandla ukuthi ungiboleke ifoni, and then after that ngizozama ukuthi ibuyele ngakwena i-right nani. Manje-ke ngoba uyilento ayiyona, instead ukuthi i-situation yehliswe, yena uvele wafaka nje usawoti. Uvele wafaka usawoti nje esilondeni. I even had to like be on a call with abantu bakubo nani. But ke naye angifuna wazi ukuthi angimzondi, kodwa ukuba ubenza izinto ngendlela e-right ibingeke izifike la. Mina inkinga zami ezihlangane nabangani bami, especially abantu kade ngibaveluisha ngaleyo ndlela, angiyilethi nje kwinkundla zokuxhumana. Ngamane nje kuba ukuthi abantu mebengibuza ngizibe ngathi angazi lutho. Engathi angazi lutho, ngiqhubekele nempilo. Abantu bangibuza bayoze bakhohlwe nabo njalo. Even my other former friends bangibuza baze bakhohlwe. Ngeke nje, akekho nje umuntu ongafika la online ayolanda into athi nje uSindi wathi ngosibanibani, ngoba nakho sibengasabona abangani sibeyathukana. Angiyenzi leyo nto mina. Noma bona bahamba mase kuba bangani nabo bahambe bekhuluma nami kabuhlungu, bangenza izinto ezibuhlungu, mina angiyenzi leyo nto komunye umuntu. Angiyenzi. Also, I found my key, lone remote emotweni. So lokho ngiyaxolisa ukuthi ngithe uhambe nokhiye wami, kodwa ubusemotweni ukhiye. So ngutholile ukhiye, yonke into right. So yeah, inkinga ke bekuyifoni ke, kodwa ke ya, ngiyaxolisa unifake ey'ndabeni zami maye. Nami bengisengibona ngizijwa ngingazazi nokuthi ngishone ngibheke ngakephi. Ngakhumbula ukuthi phela mina nginabakhoti bahoti.
Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Cindy McCartney expose umngani wakhe uRoyalty. uRoyalty and Cindy McCartney have been friends for years, and guys, one thing about my friendships, most of them they always end in tears, hence why people prefer not having friends. Emngani wakhe uRoyalty amntshontshela imali ngakhona indlela amgile ngakhona. People are really ungrateful la ngaphandle. Masilalela nje isitori sasinduva indlela amsida ngakhona kuRoyalty ahlale endlini yakhe amsida, but wende njani Royalty decide kumntshontshela kuSindi McCartney asuka lapha adle phansi nefoni yakhe. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.